Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make these yummy donuts. So I'm going to start with a custard. So this is egg yolks and sugar. We're just gonna combine them until the sugar is dissolved. And then I'm going to add in some cornstarch. So if you don't have a cornstarch, tapioca starch will do as well. Then after this, we are just going to set this aside for later. So now I'm going to heat up the milk, fresh milk, and then 1/4 cup of cream or whipping cream. We just need to heat this up. We don't really need to bring this to a boil. So once the milk is hot enough, we can pour this into the egg yolk mixture bit by bit and keep stirring it. And then after that, we can put this back in the pot in a low heat, and we just need to keep stirring it until we reach the desired thickness. So we want it to be look like this. So we just set this aside, cool it down, and put it in a piping bag. Now we can start doing the pastry. So this is warm fresh milk, half tablespoon of active dried yeast, and 1/4 cup of sugar. So we're just gonna set this aside for 10 minutes. So this is 2 and 1/3 cup of high grade starch or flour, and then a pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna add in the milk mixture and add in 1 egg as well, and then combine them. If you don't have a machine like this, you can just use your hands. And then we just need to add in unsalted butter. So once the butter is well combined, we just need to take it out and knead it for a couple of minutes. So when you notice that it's a bit sticky, you can add more flour. And if it's too dry, you can add a little bit of milk. So the pastry is now ready to rest. We just need to put it in a covered bowl and leave it for an hour at least. So after an hour, we just need to knead it again for a few minutes. And then we are going to flatten this out using rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use an empty bottle. And then you can now cut this into a round shape. So after we do this, we are going to set this aside, put this in a tray and cover it for half an hour before frying it. Okay, this is now ready for frying. So make sure that your oil is really hot before you put the donuts in. And also you can't really go away when you're frying them because these donuts get cooked really quickly and you don't want to burn them. Flip them often until it's golden brown. Right, so this is now cooked. And then we're gonna cool it down a bit. So we need to make a hole first and then I'm gonna roll them into the sugar. Right, so it's time to do the filling. And of course, I need to taste the donut. Wow, this is really yummy.